Chapter 14, Number 11. Two strings are made of the same material and have equal tensions. String 1 is thick, string 2 is thin. Is the speed of waves on one greater than or less than or equal to the speed of waves on string 2? And choose the best explanation. So, if they're the same material, but one is thick and then one is thin, but they are the same length and the same tension. I guess the length doesn't really matter, but they are the same tension. Well, we know that the speed of waves is the square root of the tension divided by so-called linear mass density. The linear mass density is the mass over the length. So string 1 is thick, therefore we can sort of assume that mu1 is greater than mu2, which means that v1 is less than v2. So we expect a less than answer, and the reason being a thick string implies a large mass and therefore a slower wave speed, so that one.